Welcome back, everyone. A very good morning to you all. I hope you all are doing well at your home. So in computer, we have been studying about the programming language Java. We talked about how to write different programs in Java in a BlueJ platform. We spoke about conditional statement, in which we talked about if-else, and then we spoke about switch statement. Today, I'll be teaching you how to write the programs which you have already done in which I have already explained in videos on your computer system. Last video we saw how a program is written in a Java application in your Android phone. Today, I'll teach you how to write any Java program, how to execute it, compile it, and then how to find the output. So let's begin. See, the first thing which you need to do is you have to install BlueJ. Java runs on BlueJ platform. After installing, simply double click it and you will get a screen. Go to project and new project, and then make any new project, like class 8. I have written the project as class 8, create. You will get a screen. Maximize this screen. Maximize this screen. This is the screen. I hope it's visible to you. This is the screen. Then what you need to do, you need to click on new class and write the class name. So let's design a program which is of a calculator using switch case. Okay, you have to write a program which works as a calculator using switch case. That means if a user enters 1, you'll add 2 numbers. If user enters 2, your program will subtract 2 numbers. If the user enters 3, the program will multiply. So let's see how it is done. So suppose class name is asked to write calculator, C-A-L-C-I. Let's say calc. Okay. You will get a box. Double click it. You will get this screen. Select all and delete it. Okay. Now start writing your program. The first line, import java dot io dot star semicolon. This is the first line. Okay. Then you will start writing the class name. So let's write class name public. Let's make it public. Then class is a keyword, make sure. And then write the class name calc. Fine. Enter. Curly braces open. Enter. You'll find wherever the keywords are written, those keywords are always shown in red in color, like import, class. These are keywords. Okay. These are reserved words in Java. They have a specific meaning in Java. Now the main function starts. Public, public, static, void main. You have to enter. So if you want to calculate 2 numbers, first thing which you need to do is you have to input 2 numbers. Take input from user, 2 numbers. So let's store those 2 numbers in A and B variable. You should have a third variable also for the choice. Okay. So let's take the 3 variables, int A, int B, int C. Right? Okay. Press enter and then curly braces open. Now, once you have taken input A, B and C, you need to use the switch statement. The switch statement starts with SWITCH. Right? In bracket what you have to write? A small bracket. You have to write choice. For choice you have C. You have taken C. Now move to case. Case 1. In case 1, what you will do is you have to add 2 numbers, right? So system dot out dot print, what you'll write, addition sum of two numbers. First, if you'll enter 1, it will print sum of A and B is. I have already explained you, if you write anything in double inverted comma, it will get printed as it is, right? Now sum of A and B, put a space here between A and B, okay? Then write add concatenation operator plus, and then in bracket what you need to do, A plus B. This is should be A plus B, right? Close this bracket, semicolon, and enter. Case 1 is over. Once the case gets over, what do we use? Break statement. Simply use break statement, and right. Next case, case 2. Case 2 will be written under case 2. Your program, what it will do? It will subtract two numbers. System dot out dot print ln difference of A and B is plus, and in small bracket simply write A minus B, right? Simply put a semicolon and then enter. Okay, write break statement, fine, semicolon, enter. Case 3 was to add, first was to add, case 2 was to subtract, case 3 was to multiply. So simply write case 3. The same thing can be written. What I will do, copy this, and then I'll write the same thing here. Only thing which I need to add is I'll write division of A and B is A oblique B. Okay, break. And then the last case, default, 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 simply enter. Write in correct choice. Okay, enter, close this bracket, semicolon, have break, then you close the main function, close that. Okay, once you have written this statement, complete statement, you have to compile it. Simply compile it. Once you will compile, you will find see here at the very bottom you will find class compound, no syntax error. No syntax error means there is no error in the program. In that case, that means your program is correctly compiled, there is no error. Close it, come to this box. Let's try some other numbers. Like if I enter 10, then you have, let's say I've taken 5, and then the choice is to add two numbers, 1. Okay, once you will press OK, you will get 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, let's check the second choice also. What you need to do while running the program is right click this and come to void main, click here. You will get 3 options, 3 variables, 3 input you will have to do. For integer A, for A variable, let's say value is 5, next is value is 3, and you want to subtract these two numbers, so simply write 2. Choice was 2 for subtraction. Okay, so it will subtract 3 from 5, and you will get answer as 2. So it's very simple. You have already created this class. If you want to create a new class, new program you want to do, simply click on new class and then write the class name. Like suppose you want to do addition of two numbers, addition. Simply write addition and press OK. You will get another box here. Okay, this box. And if you want to write the program, double click this, you will find this the screen. Control A, you'll select all and delete. Now start writing your program. So it's very simple. I'll quickly revise this how you will do. You need to do first install BlueJ. Once you have installed BlueJ on your computer system, click on the link. It will the screen will get open. If you want to open a new project, you can open a new project. If you want to make a new project, go to new project and then design a project of your name. And then suppose I have I want to open the project which I have just now completed. I have done with class 8A. Okay, I have clicked on class 8A. Just a second. Let me check. Go to project, open project, and then my project was of class 8. Class 8 it was. Okay, Calci. This was the number of programs. The first program which I have done. If you want to run this, right click, void main, then enter the values and press OK. Okay. If you want to edit something, double click on this and then you can edit this. So I hope this part might be clear to you all. See, my dear students, we have been studying about if-else statement, in which we talked about all the three conditions of all the three types of if-else. Today we discussed about the switch statement, and I have given you an idea of how to write a Java program on your computer system. If you have computer system at your home, please do install BlueJ and try practicing all the programs. Programs are very important. I hope you would have understood whatever I have taught today. Stay blessed. Take care.